My favorite movie of the Avengers, honestly, the closest to my heart was Endgame. Very, very dramatic and suspense, full of suspense. So, hello guys, I am Joe Russo, one of the directors of Endgame, and today we are going to talk about a few questions which these very nice people gave me. Okay, and I'm going to do this interview online because of this COVID-19, which is spread nowadays. Let's begin. Okay, so the style, I think, in all the Avengers movies, it is realistic. Though it is entirely different universe, it is realistic. I think, yeah. Message of the movie. I think the message is when Iron Man clicks his fingers. The message is that sometimes, yes, sometimes you do need to think about yourself, but sometimes for the greater good, when everybody's lives depend on it, you have to get yourself together and sometimes maybe sacrifice a little bit for the greater good, of course. Okay. Um, what I liked best about the movie was an incredible concept, of course, but the best thing was when the families met again. I am a very family loving person, I guess. So I really, really loved when the families met in the starting. It was from the it showed that how half the world had vanished, and then when they reunited, it was very sweet, very calm. Finally, um, the least thing I liked about the movie was when, well, the least thing I liked was when Iron Man passed. It was like very. I know he's just a character, but I've been working with Avengers for so long now, so part of family seems like part of family. So, what part of the story was most powerful? The most powerful part of the story, I think, was when that suspense in between, that what happens when Hulk clicks the fingers and then side by side what was happening. So, yeah. Thank you, Joe Russo here. Have a nice day.